Hello everyone, I'm Anastasia and you're watching Sunway Estates channel. Today we're in Phuket, in the area called Kamala, a place where life slows down just enough for you to truly enjoy every moment. And right here, we're visiting Botanica MontAzure, a project that turns seaside living into a real art form. The project is just 900 meters from Kamala Beach, literally a few minutes walk to the sea. All around you, 5-star hotels, fine restaurants, Cafe Del Mar, and everything that people usually come to Phuket for. But here's the key. Plots this close to the beach are almost gone. New developments keep moving farther inland, which makes every beachfront project even more valuable. Botanica MontAzure is one of the last places where you can live in privacy yet stay at the heart of the island life. There are 41 villas in total, from 3 to 5 bedrooms on plots up to 2,000 square meters. The architecture follows Botanica's signature modern luxury style: high ceilings, tons of natural light, and perfectly balanced space. Every villa comes with its own private pool and garden. And here's a nice touch. You can design your landscape the way you want. Prefer minimalist lines and palm trees and symmetry, or a lush tropical garden full of color? The developer gives you options. You simply choose the mood of your backyard. To stay active and in shape, the project includes a clubhouse with a modern fitness center. Working out to the tropical sounds of cicadas, that's less of a workout and more of a meditation, really. Botanica has its own style, understated, balanced, and effortlessly beautiful. Light, proportion, lines, everything feels just right. It's not architecture that tries to impress. It's a home that simply feels good instantly. MontAzure isn't just a neighborhood, it's a 72-hectare community stretching from the mountains all the way to the beach. Here you already have the Intercontinental Phuket Resort, Twin Palms, Cafe Del Mar, and restaurants like Shimmer and Triple Tree at the beach. The area has landscaped roads, 24-hour security, wellness zones, and even a boutique shopping center currently under construction. It's a place designed for real life, not just pretty pictures in a brochure. Kamala combines the best of both worlds, the relaxed resort vibe and the comfort of year-round living. It's only 15 minutes to Bangtan and about 20 minutes to Patong. Shops, restaurants, international schools, everything's close by. And most importantly, along Phuket's entire west coast, plots this close to the beach are almost gone. That's why properties here hold strong value both for rental income and future land appreciation. The project is developed by AAP Property led by architect Atasit Interashati. Since 2005, more than 10 Botanica projects have been completed, earning awards like Best Luxury Villa Development Phuket and Best Housing Design Thailand. But their biggest success? Owners who come back for their second and third home, because when something is truly well made, you stick with it. Buyers can take advantage of Botanica's in-house mortgage program, pay 50% during construction and the remaining 50% within 1 to 3 years after handover, and 3, 5, or 7% annual interest. It's one of the few chances in Phuket to buy a seaside villa with simple paperwork and flexible terms. Right now, only a few sea views plots remain, literally 3 villas, plus a few limited non-view options in the lower zone. So if you're considering a purchase, now's the time before the last panoramic views are gone. Sunway Estates has been among Botanica's top 3 partners for several years in a row. That means our clients get the best deals and access to units that never appear on the public market. By the way, the show villa we're filming in today has already been purchased by one of our regular clients. And honestly, I'm not surprised. Once you see this project, you'll want to do the same. Botanica MontAzure isn't just a beautiful villa, it's a rare opportunity to live by the sea, surrounded by nature, with full infrastructure, not someday, but today. Plots with views are becoming scarce, and this is one of those moments when I'll think about it later. Could cost you a sunset view. The Sunway Estates team will help you choose the perfect villa and walk you through every detail of the purchase process. Subscribe and stay with us. We have many more homes to show you, and one of them might just feel like yours. See you in Phuket.